Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to hide the apps on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's get started. So the very first thing which you want to do is to open up your settings. In settings, you are going to scroll down to home screen. Now from your home screen, we are going to see an option that say hide apps on your home screen and app screen. So we are going to tap on that. Now right here, it gives us all the apps that are available on my phone. If I wanted to hide an app, let's go ahead and find the app that I like to hide. Maybe I wanted to hide this app. So simply tap on it. It's going to be moved into this section as a hidden app. So right now I have only one app that is hidden. If I wanted to add more, I can simply go ahead and tap on them. And once I am done, I'm going to hit done button and those are going to be hidden. Now if I click on it, I will no longer see them on my home screen or in my app menu any longer. They will be completely hidden unless I unhide them by going back into that setting. You just need to press that minus button in the hidden apps and they are going to be unhide in there. So guys, that is how you can do it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.